bulldozer. Achoo!
Beep, 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 beep.
B. U.
La 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 la.
L.
La 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 la.
L.
Da 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 da.
D.
Oh 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 oh.
O.
Za 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 za.
Z. E. R. Bulldozer. Welcome to Vehicles for Kids. Today, we meet this huge yellow machine called Bulldozer. You can see bulldozers on construction sites. These machines can push sand, dirt, and even heavy rocks. They are very helpful during the construction of new buildings, parks, and circuses. Instead of wheels, a bulldozer has metal tracks. Using these tracks, bulldozer can move on any kind of the road, even if there is no road at all. For example, here is our bulldozer moving on sand, on mud, and on swamps. Do you see this metal part in front of the bulldozer? It is bulldozer's blade. Using the blade, bulldozer pushes everything on its way.